Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 9th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So yesterday I was talking about how it looks like we possibly could make a move up, but until we get a break of structure, there's no reason to even think about going long in any significant way. Now this definitely looks like a bottoming out pattern, and we are sitting at the 78% Fibonacci from the very high time frames like the weekly and the monthly. So it does look like something that possibly could start a pretty decent move to the upside, but the problem is the trend is down. When the trend is down, just like what happened yesterday, it could make a lower high, a lower high, a lower high, and just keep on going down. I would definitely still be recommending shorts unless price goes up and breaks these highs, and not just breaks them and rejects them, but breaks and holds above these highs. If it breaks and holds above these highs, then I would definitely start looking for longs on pullbacks. Until you actually see this picture right here, though, you have to keep in mind the trend is heavily down. This could easily make another lower high just like it did yesterday and could easily push down again. You have to always keep in mind the trend is your friend and the market will tell you when the trend is over if you pay attention to your structure and pay attention to your higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.